AI tools are everywhere right now, and there's literally a tool for everything. But do they actually work the way that they are supposed to be and save you time? I have been there struggling to find the right tools from the beginning to manage my Etsy shop. And after testing over 100 different tools, I'm here to share the 9 that actually work and the ones that help me scale faster. Some of these you might have heard of, and some of them might be surprisingly new. But they all work, and I wish someone had shared them with me when I was stuck doing everything manually, though some of them hadn't been released yet. A few years ago, I was juggling kids, a house, and an Etsy shop that felt like it was completely glued together with duct tape. I was spending hours and hours designing, I was rewriting descriptions, and fixing mistakes constantly, and still wondering why the results weren't matching my effort. But after tons of late nights, trial and error, and testing more tools than I can count over the past few years, I finally figured out what actually works. And I'm not here to sell you any of these software. These are all the tools that I've used personally, and I know that they work today. All right, AI tool number 1 is ChatGPT. So this tool has been a total game changer for content creation. So whether you need product descriptions or social media posts for your listings, or maybe even blog content, ChatGPT can handle it all, and it is perfect for Etsy sellers who want to save time while creating high quality listing descriptions. What I love about ChatGPT is that it's not just fast, it's incredibly versatile. So you can use it for everything from writing catchy titles and headlines to generating persuasive ad copy if you are going to run meta ads for your listings, or even create customer email responses to messages. So it really is like having a writing assistant who works 24/7, helping you create engaging content that actually resonates with your audience. And with the latest updates, ChatGPT has become even more powerful. The ability to generate context-aware copy has really improved now, so it can create more personalized and relevant content that is tailored to your audience or your niche. It also has a great ability to adjust the tone and the style, ensuring that your content actually matches your voice and connects with your target customers. So you can use ChatGPT to generate multiple versions of your product descriptions and test them out to see which one resonates most with your audience. You can also duplicate your listings and do this with your titles as well if you're not quite sure which SEO is going to outperform the other. And real quick, if you're ready to finally fix your Etsy shop without working more, then do be sure to join me for the free 3-day Etsy upgrade challenge. In just 90 minutes a day over the 3 days, I will show you exactly how to clean up your dead listings, use AI to make simple digital products that people actually want to buy, and then follow the same 3-hour per week system that's helped regular sellers grow to 3 to 5K months without quitting their day jobs. The link to join us for free will be down in the description below. So AI tool number 2 is Kittl. So if you are a seller who needs to create designs quickly and professionally, then this tool is your best friend, and it has been my design go-to for the past 3 years. I can confidently say that it's been a total game changer for me. When I first started my Etsy shop and was just using Canva, I struggled with design work, but Kittl's AI-powered templates and all of their customization options make it so much easier to create my designs, my mock-ups. I've created printables and different types of digital downloads without any type of design experience. Honestly, Kittl has probably been the biggest time saver for me and helped me stay on top of trends without the stress. Recently, they've even added more features like faster template customization and AI suggestions based on current trends, which makes it easier to create designs that actually pop and resonate with your audience. It's very easy to quickly adapt to what's trending in your niche and then stay relevant without putting in a ton of extra work. Canva is another tool that I can't live without, even though sometimes I might want to. It is still perfect for creating social media graphics, promotional materials, and of course, product mock-ups. I remember when I did first start my Etsy shop, I was overwhelmed by all of the design work, But Canva was the only thing out there that was able to help me being a non-designer. It's very, very easy to use even if you have zero design experience. It has tons of templates and AI-powered suggestions. Canva has also had some recent updates that make it even better. So their new AI design suggestions are really spot on, and they've made it even easier to adapt your designs for different platforms. Plus, they've added more templates so that you never have to start from scratch. One of my favorite things about Canva is to use the magic resize feature. So you can instantly adapt your designs for different types of product types or different social platforms. So if you're posting on Instagram or Facebook, it ensures that your graphics look perfect every time, and it's a huge time saver. AI tool number 4 that I can't live without is Photoshop's AI generative fill tool. So this is how I personally make all of my Tumblr designs seamless, which basically means that the design meets together on both sides of the Tumblr without any type of harsh line. Now, currently there isn't really any other type of AI tool that can do this, so it is only available in Photoshop, but it is just a few clicks of a button to have a truly seamless design. AI tool number 5 is Profit Tree. So this is the tool that I use for my keyword research. So this is how I validate different types of products to make sure that they're actually in demand and I'm not wasting my time creating something that's never going to sell. It really takes away the guesswork because you're just creating your products based on real sales data instead of just guessing. While you could do much of this manually in Etsy, it's going to take a ton of time and you're never going to have all of the necessary information to make sure you're actually creating products that are going to convert. So far, we've talked about different ways to create your products using something like Kittl or Canva and their AI, validating your products with something like Profit Tree, and creating different types of products using Photoshop's AI generative fill. But what about what happens after you make a sale? If you've been on this channel any length of time, you know that I constantly talk about growing an email list that you own so that if you ever are removed off the Etsy platform or you decide to sell on your own site, you have a way to contact your past buyers and sell to them that way. Which brings me to AI tool number 7, which is Everbee. So this tool has been a game changer again for automating my email marketing and staying connected with my audience on Etsy. When I first started managing email campaigns manually, it was a huge time suck, but Everbee automates everything. So from your welcome email posts to post-purchase follow-ups, it can save you so much time. Of course, if you want to build an email list so that you have constant contact with your customers, you'll need to set up what's called a landing opt-in page so that they can legally opt into your email list, so that then you can begin to email them weekly or whatever type of schedule that you set up. Everbee makes this super simple. I literally set up mine with just about 5 clicks and it was over and done, as they have preset templates for your landing page opt-ins. I do have an entire video about that. I will pop this up here if you want to set up your Everbee email list and start growing your own email list. Now, honestly, it's taken me about 2 years to figure out all of this of what I've just explained in the past 6 to 7 minutes. And if you want to skip the trial and error phase and get daily trending product ideas and proven AI prompts to actually create them, along with live coaching where I actually answer all of your questions, I've built a private school community just for this. In my community, I share what's working right now and not what's worked 2 years ago. So if you're ready to get access to real-time strategies and personalized support, the link for this will be down in the description below. When I first started, I was juggling it all, trying to do everything myself. And honestly, it does feel like you're constantly behind. But these tools have really changed the game for me even now. They still save me tons of time, have boosted my sales, and helped me scale my business without burning out. And if you want to see how I would build a brand new Etsy shop in 2026, then be sure to watch this next video up here as I walk you through exactly what my entire process would be. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.